First, the top news headlines. Manipur Cabinet discusses modalities of ILP implementation. "39th Merapai Day observed in Manipur. And absence of favoritism can bring positive development, says Minister Jayant Kumar. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. A cabinet meeting was held today to discuss modalities of implementation of inner line permit system ILPs in Manipur. Briefing media after the cabinet meeting, Works Minister THB Shojit, he is also the government spokesperson, said that the government is all set to facilitate effective implementation of ILP in the state from January 1st. He informed that the cabinet also discussed the prevailing conditions of river in the state. The minister further urged every citizen of the state to help ensure a successful implementation of ILPs in the state.
Implement karamba criteria karamba parameter karamba rules and regulation tawu matam se da karam sina gani haiba se phajana tahuda matam de sarkar se immature oina ugadaba aduga akhoi leba masjid involvement miyam gi involvement nupi organization gi involvement CSO gi involvement adug every individual gi involvement adug interest se kahandana amadi akhoi gi protectively indigenous people nabagi damakta bharat sarkar na akhoi da grant tawi kuina long stream ma fulfill oila che masigi akhoi gi nungai ba akhoi mayam punamakta akhoi na mapan thong da phongduk tagaju phawri ba posting sikise amuk hanna akhoi nungai ta ba natabda sidagi hena nungai na chalakanda akhoi indigenous people se fully secure orani haibagi wakhalon ga loinana akhoi na masik tangai padana khana ba darkar lai haidana particularly adu khagdagi khana bane akhoi thungan ba atai khana de aduga loinana akhoi ngasi nambul amadi tungan ba leriba akhoi reversing se akhoi imphal gi mayon chela kanda masi ising musalla ibana tagana taba phata hogdi thadaraga muanga iba posek sing se masi phajana akhoi thamnana bagi akhoi tungan ba akhoi consultancy ama ne har kanda masi gi tungan ba chauba akhoi mapan dagi paisa pore har kanda akhoi si kamai tawna lu nana shahar se kolakpa matam da ngasi akhoi imphal gi shahar akhoi lambi thongi phibam phajara iba natraga chakhot pagi mangal ama uhana bagi macha amla lai se masi su part ama oina akhoi gi kano thabak thorong kya paikhalak na hona bada masi su maru oi haidana akhoi hiram ani se focus toroga akhoi ngasi khanaban.
Annual calendar of Government of Manipur Rural Engineering Department RED, Manipur State Rural Roads Development Agency on physical achievement of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY for the financial year 2019 to 2020 was released today. During the calendar launch event at his official quarter, Sanjay Thong Works Minister Thongam Bishwajit said that around 6,713 kilometers of roads have been completed in 2002 to 16 under PMGSY. Under the scheme, around 4,970 kilometers of roads were also completed in 2017 to 2019. During the phase 1 of the scheme, 64 works were completed. For the phase 2 of PMGSY, it has a target of 56 works and around rupees 271 crore has been sanctioned for the purpose. It may be mentioned that Manipur was at just the 3rd position for construction of maximum road length using green technologies during 2018 to 2019 among Northeast and Himalayan states. Bishwajit appealed to all the concerned to extend cooperation to the developmental works.
Within 3 years, the Haibadi 2017 Dagina 2019 Pautana 4,970 kilometers se Aquina achieve toba ngami aduga lona masigi percentage na 43% ni aduga aikogi sanction cost na torokibasi 3037 crore se aduna koina haningi portikari no hakanda only within 16 years and within 3 years se gap of the difference lay have dunia koina comparatively koina useri po se.
39th Merapai Day was observed at Khabam Maninglekai Community Hall, Imphal East today. The event was jointly organized by All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samas and Nupi Samas. Nupi Samas President T.H. Ramani, Amkil President Fonaujam Ongbi Saki, All Manipur Tami Chingmi Apunba Nupi Lup, President Soiba Momon Daima, United Committee Manipur UCM, President Sunil Karam and Yaifa Sindam Naharol Club, Kontha Khabam Vice President W. Madhuchandra shared the dice at the function. Talking at the event, Sunil Karam recalled ordeals of serious crimes committed against innocent civilians by Central paramilitary forces in the state under the shadow of Armed Forces Special Power Act of AFSPA. He asserted that Manipur entered into an armed conflict zone since the signing of merger agreement.
Matamama the Incholising Masapan Nipugama Panda, Manipur se Barki Piman the Namtin Tinker, Matung the Gizu, Manipur, a armed conflict situation, a Chatterai, Nasidi, Barki Piban, the Hectin Kip the Gidi, I could prove Amaga, sing a Masum Tonga, Kaidonaba, a divisive policies, Adokimatic, a quick cancellerly, Manipuri Amoina, Indiagi citizenship Amaoina. Pangpam Tokpa Hak right Punamakto, Manipur Miam de Ngasipa with the Pangbangam de Pistok to Ribasiki Manung Sida, Housing Povoda, Warushil Tabayaba, Warushil Amabok Taratana, Saiko Mate Kunito Sang Toragana, Atopa Lalo Lupsing so, I koi men is rhythm Tolakanda, Gamenka Warishana, Jay had an appeal to Riba Mayam Singh, North East Kid Lady Lalo Wussing the Makatana, I koi. Peace talk your poems the Sanjalakani Tajade, Maramdi, Sanakriva Mayam Singasina, Aikoi, Lainariva Lala Lup Aduki Yamna Adugumba, Magi, got some dignity the Magna, Peace talks Harakana, Somnakagi Gominum Indiagi, advantage to Katang, Launa Nova Saba, Aduki Wari Oibanina, Karigumba, Lalo Singasida, Peace talk Matraka Matolo Habaza, Tolakani Habitajade.
In her speech on the occasion, Nupi Samas President T.H. Ramani recalled the genesis of Merapai movement in Manipur and said its primary objective was to protect the innocent Manipur civilians from the viciousness committed by the armed forces on the pretext of curbing insurgency in the state. She also urged every household to light a candle today to mark the occasion.
Spian power ek lok thok piu hai ba je sahi ni phu chure ba law ba uji chen power ek ki marum da het mara lai ta mayam ma ot khiba nei khiba do adu ki da ta ngasi pithi ba da maira pai mi da phau ri se ima singina wa khiba macha gi da makta lai pham khuding da chalaga icha bu karam kan ji haina dau khiba nomil ado adu sahi kuntha da ma pan chure chi gi ning jang wa nomil ni tongi mirong gi da makta machi ba no sei man hai ning ji na ko lam khuding makta machi humni pan mani humni pa masida icha singing dang ta maira kat khiba do maira chapna chapiro chatra ka kodong khuding gi taibang ba mapuda amu han asumba misi minasi thok ta ba ina kodong khuding gi mama sina maira kalaga macha singung dam ta bunchi nung sang da ba ni biyo.
Manipur Health Minister L. Jaintukumar stated that development comes positively when there are no favoritism and nepotism. He was inaugurating a waiting set at Khagampally, Moirangpuret within Kaisamthong constituency in Imphal today. Jaintukumar further said that the newly constructed waiting set can be a good recreational site for the local elders. The minister assured that he will execute all necessary development activities as the leader of Kaisamthong constituency and urged that these should not be politicized at all. Jaintukumar also appealed for proper use of public property.
Many Marampungi development in the Masilla Kamu enjoy to be of Togata Bokal Bone. She is the Aina NPP the Yawaina Amasuna Aigang Wesuna. She's Haramedana, but I'm putting a queen at the Batomina Chinavia have worked as a late table. So it is meant for the public. Prasagini, Adana Prasaginina, come and plop talk Biragam, Loin talk Biro, Loina BJP, Congress, NPP, Aduni, Lake of Topiro, I do mean in a do work in the Topiro, Aduka, Amata, when as a team, totally unified with body and more when Matula Matunda, which diplomatic having more pillow.
Consumers Affairs Minister Karamshyam today said cycling benefits one's health. He was inaugurating a Velo company's bicycle showroom on Tidim Road near Changangai Airport today. Chairman of TCML Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Wangoi Constituency MLA Olukhoi and proprietor of Velo Bicycles and Accessories Imphal, El Monica, were also present at the event. Different bicycles, including bicycle World Hub to Rs 3 lakh and accessories are available in the showroom. Speaking at the function, Karamshyam said that riding bicycle helps in keeping one's body fit. He added that the newly opened showroom will inspire the younger generation to stay healthy through bicycle riding.
Tungin harul singda adi amna lemba aduga tamjaningai oiba thabak singje tawraknaba honaba kanda yamna khumang chawksanba ngamagani haibagi thajaba lei koi Manipur sarkar gi taraptagi aduga aisi mantri cyclist ama oina asugi mati encourage awi asugi mati tobimal khangbo chari aduna Manipur ngasi di awonba ahongba lamdam ama poraknaba honaba kanda adi sumba thabak singsina chomai pakpa ma porakani haibagi thajabadu thamjari.
Proprietor El Monica said that Velo Company is a US-based cycle company and that the showroom will provide good quality cycle to the people of the state.
Velo ge motif ti right for wellness and healthier lifestyle haibane aduna angang naha ahan punamak cycle thauraga hakchang phana leibiu ana haijabani ko aduna akhoi gi ngasai akhoi na ngasi tongan tongan ba servicings mamam su pijadori.
And now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, MLA KH Joy Kishan accepts challenge announced by Chief Minister N. Biren for open debate on Citizenship Amendment Bill and its impact on Article 14.
Takshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Manipuri ahanba amadi adongi khwaidagi pamjaba satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV Airtel DTH ki channel number 646 ta fangbiragani.
Lagliba December 13 ki January mga fauba Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMT na sinduna. Churachandpur District ki manung chana leiriba MMI Complex Lamdanda Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 pangthok charagani. District ki package oina lobi bagi khudong chabasu leijari. Trekking, caving, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktanatana camping na chingba event kaya amasu yaugadauri. Festival asida sarugyanabagidama contact tawbiyo Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association contact number 7005627-984 natraga 7005165-120.
Yang wari.
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi.
Welcome back. Thangmaiban constituency MLA KH Joy Krishnan said he will accept the recent challenge announced by Chief Minister N. Biren for an open debate on Citizenship Amendment Bill and its impact on Article 14 of the Constitution. Addressing media today at his Koyathong residence, the Congress MLA reacted to the pro-CAA rally organized by the BJP government. Joy Krishnan negated the government's assurance that CAA will not affect Article 14.
Chief Minister na marang function namada Article 14 na masida CAA sida kari kahen bage kahen ban lai rabadi debate taw na si haibu wafum ado ayak na taram okseri ai CAA ekse yaning da miyo ama oina MLA ama oina Honorable Chief Minister na thambirakpa debate adu Honorable Chief Minister na haibiba mafam matam amada debate taw na ba ICM sadro leijare khwaide phaba platform di people's representative anina debate taw na bom IBCD assembly floor ne aduna yaraga di yamna concern oriba topic asi loina na masina ngaklo pigani hariba ILP lakpagi masi wafam se khanai na namba rules and regulation puthokna ba assembly session am athu bada kobiraga akhoi masida debate tawne bana punamaki afabo oigani.
On the other hand, MLA Joy Krishnan also accused the ruling BJP government of diverting the minds of the general public from key issues like price hike, financial crisis and corruption.
Makoini yam toina law what development na hirse kada idno bo sik development si man yam samba example amani site tok jage yam na chang na ngang na share pgadi matam natte si sarkar da point khrani development ki puho machine na thai daga puna sale only thing makoina ngamba ma lei puna maktage makoina han ba ma miyam da oidaba namthak tawraga malalaga propaganda tabu publicity tawbudi lenga asida mai pa hebe masi hiram sidadi aina lenga sida appreciate tawri miyam da lan paw chandokpa aduga lan hunbagi wall poster achaw chaw mayam thesla khoi lenga phare ga mayam lenga aphaba logudaba nate wall poster yek pada sanga do paisa do maduna leita lare gi da cheng khaga yen thokpi bana phagani haibese aina lenga sidai aina thamjari.
Manipur People's Party MPP today lambasted the BJP-led government in the state for organizing statewide awareness rally on Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA), saying that the idea of the rally is unfavorable to the state. Talking exclusively to TOMTV at MPP office, Imphal, Party General Secretary Administration H. Gitasan said that MPP has no objection to BJP organizing such a rally, but it is not the right time to celebrate. He said implementation of inner line permit in the state is a good move, but failure to come out with a proper base year has created a confusion among the masses. Gitasan also urged the authority to release CPI Manipur State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar without any condition at the earliest.
Gyan tahanan na awareness to moin apun magyon lepi badi yada bazala moina mioi karor ahum tang moina find out to kan da karor ahum the awareness pi gado bun hebasi masi ekoi da yam chamam na pot am ko oiba adugi khongthang actually center ki khongthang hai tare ni Delhi gi oiba ma gi BJP gi khongthang si ngasai gi sarkar paire pare adu ngami ya jani hai bagi mata gumna lairi boy state masa 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 singsi da khoi tawgadawni hai ba namna charhan gadawni namdana amdu inhal gadawni hai bagi film gi lakhu mo man basidi asidi kadang phajaba wali.
Youths clad in traditional attire today took out a rally at Imphal East Khurai demanding safeguard to indigenous people. The demonstration, which started from Konthongan Bilai Lampak, ended at Khurai Lamlong Bazaar. Police stopped the slogan shouting protester at Lamlong, where a scuffle broke between the two sides. Later, the police allowed them to proceed the rally towards Pangai.
ngasi akhoi gi laingak sina ka henba ek lo mayam pass out bujina sina indigenous people gi wang bagi interest oi ba ko si mayam gi wang bujida akhoi gi with the concern of best interest of the people ko interest of people gi makha da taw kan da akhoi gi UN recognize to ba special rapporteurs on rights of the indigenous people ja consider tawraga akhoi na ngasi yellow missing gi interest oi na thabak to yellow missing oi kan biu hai bagi khongjang dune aduga akhoi gi ngasi famnai ba singna moigi status amadi pham yengai da ngasai gi akhoi gi people gi interest yeng da taw go ja si tokpiro aduga people gi interest to oina tawraga ngasi yellow missing je kan biu hai do thamjala lo sanjarage.
Congress Party celebrated the 96th Foundation Day of Sebadal, a unit of Congress Party, today at Congress Bhawan, Imphal. The day is celebrated on the last Sunday of every year. Congress Legislature Party leader Okram Ibobi expressed disappointment over the failure of a plant to unveil of the statue of Bir Tikendrizit at the event. On the occasion, Ibobi asserted that Congress has taken up several developmental works in remembrance of the martyrs.
Imphal si awang nongpok Bharat ki waina yamna strategy oiba airport ni masi matik sabal lam akhoi state government pi ni at one time more than 500 acres acquired Torga in Pan Airport, international airport upgrade. Tawirami Matamdugi government, Bir Tikendrizit International Airport and the Thonbio in a cabinet is a lower center. The government of India Civil Aviation Ministry that Queen at Havne. Hosiki, Lay River government sida. House the Putokana, Bir Tikendrizit International Airport, Highland Thon, Z Highland. The house na unanimous resolution of the center the Tare, the Huzik Paudi, Madu Yare, Hibadu official communication Hibatare, state government that the Kangal 3 man and a quick Kanjay. Adubu.
Taking part in the observance, President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Moirangthem Oken, said that the party will work for reviving the Sebadal and spoke about the contribution of Seva in development activities since its inception. Assam Indigenous People Protection Committee AIPPC has strongly condemned the arrest of its General Secretary Seram Herajit by police and demanded unconditional release of the committee leader at the earliest. Talking to journalists at the committee office, Rokpo Kasar AIPPC Vice President Imalili Singha said, the arrest of Herajit is an act of violating the rights of ethnic minority community.
Handak Herajit pu phajiliba dharna phami amadi mifam phamni haiduna piba jadaba ain amagi ekpu hekta maran leite khangdana hekta pisanba iho sagatpa mibu hekta asuk chawba marana si pisanba yabra masi khara kupna khana nainabiraga ek asidagi herajitpu condition yaudana thadok pirakpasi ekoi pami.
On the other hand, AIPPC Information Secretary Okram Lakhikanta Singh questioned the detention of Herazit and said he simply took part in a CAA protest which was staged in a democratic way. Lakhikanta also warned of a series of agitations if the General Secretary is not released soon.
Indigenous issues mayam leise asi amabu sarkar na tauge khotke magi planning da leiba su leite amasung ka ama tauraga legal bangladesh punamok moi se posan na bagi Hindu rashtra amasem na bi wakhalon mayam tauri banina aikoi gi yellow mi sing se karmane hingani haibagi yamna awaba ama oibagi tabai organization sina andon se taurakpani.
Rotary Club of Imphal, Rotary International District 3240 organized a two-day teachers training program for school teachers of Zonal Educational Office, Zone 1 and 2. Department of Education as Government of Manipur underteach program of Rotary India Literacy Mission RILM on December 27 and 28 at Rotary Multi-Service Center, Manipuri, Imphal. Around 100 teachers took part in the training. Imphal West Commando apprehended an active cadre belonging to the proscribed KYKL on December 27. The apprehended has been identified as Laishram Devensana Singh, alias Deven, is 38 years old, son of El Syam Bhondu Singh from Khangabok, Lamlong Bazar, Kunau Part 3. Devensana disclosed that he joined the outfit through his brother El Imocha, alias Mocha, and collected money from businessmen, private hospitals and office for party fund. During the arrest, Rs 73,000 in case was recovered from his possession. He was later handed over to Thawal police station for further legal action. Meanwhile, a combined team of 6 Assam Rifles and Imphal East Commando apprehended an active cadre of Naga National Council NNC during counter-insurgency operation near Tag-In compound, Upaktong on December 27. He has been identified as self-styled Second Lieutenant Dinesh Golmai, aged 35 years, son of Ngathopao Golmai from Langol, Laimanai, Imphal West. During interrogation, Dinesh revealed that he joined the outfit in 2006 through one Matthew and collected money from vehicles along National Highway 37. And now let's have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Adonggi angangbu wakhal budhi lausing thawhannaba mithoi mihenba amadi punsida mai pakpa ma soidana oinabagidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Genius Mind Tech mafam asida Japan gi akhanaba technology amagi matengna Sunday khudingi pangthokliba mid brain activation course asi saruk yahanbiu akhoi akhanaba course singdi DMIT test ESP LNP photogenic memory quantum speed reading asina chingbani course khudingmaki chada chama guarantee pijari akopa moral gidama contact tobiu 9862287481 natraga 8787562714 khogi website www.gmtmanipur.in Chasingi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asengba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong Tea asibu mahau lobinabagidamak ngasimak leibiu anoba technique ya sizinaduna semzariba Gambhiras Valley Strong Tea City asi gram chama chani yangkhai amadi chamangagi paketa makhal kaya thokna fanganjari cha asigi mahau lobina bagidamak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City Admission open for the session 2020-21 Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawaso Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available: digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 700513142 or 700517236
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari kaya su bandan lawzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gi damakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple Natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai. Ekhoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampat Kaisam Laikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tauzari. Ambulance Service asina miyam da pizari ba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yum thang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambigi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyamgi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak save tausin view aikhoi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Medline F download tobiu.
Welcome back. Netra Kumbha Manipur organized a one-day free eye camp at Bal Bidya Mandir Palace compound in Imphal today. Around 800 elders were treated during the camp. Co-convener Netra Kumbha H. Jadumani said patients will be given spectacles during a mega event to be held in February, while those patients who have cataract problem will be given free operation. This camp will be held in the hill areas of the state in January, he informed.
Tasengna ai mit nare habisi khangdadana laithokibadagi maduna maram moidana blindness lakpado madu kharadang orsu control tawba ngamna baina hariba program si pangthok jabani ekoi last Sunday ahum hogre sina last Sunday ni then next ekoi January thada nukkene corner kachin koya changaga khoigi chingman mayam singsidai da lairiba ekoi myo singsidai da chalaga ekoi sigi pre camp si avail to hongani.
Jamaat-e-Islami Hind Manipur State Branch and Islamic Students Organization under the sponsorship of Society for Bright Future New Delhi today distributed free blankets to 100 people under the winter relief project at Ledong Ubaktong. Rongdai Students Union RSU celebrated its 43rd Foundation Day on the theme Invigorate Vision today at the Christmas Hall of Rongdai Baptist Church RBC at Longmai of None District. Extempore speech, solo competition, quiz competition, choreography competition and competition on Rongmai alphabets were the main highlights of the event. Executive member of the Tamenglong Autonomous District Council Z. Apokhui, who graced the function as chief guest, exhorted the young students to work hard, saying that there is no shortcut to success in life. He asserted that students should strive for good moral character and refrain from drugs and other antisocial activities. Under the supervision of Popular Front of India (PFI), the PFI Manipur State today distributed scholarship to Muslim students and underprivileged students for pursuing higher studies during a function held at the auditorium of Lelong Hauribi College, Usoipokpi. PFI Manipur State President Maulana Abdullah, State General Secretary Rafi Shah, Manipur University Assistant Professor Muhammad Hamidur Rahman, Manipur High Court Advocate Muhammad Azmal Hossain, and others attended the event as main guests. Scholarships were handed over to 146 Class 12 pass students, besides felicitating National Awardee Hamidur Rahman and National Pro Fight winner Muhammad Firoz. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JAM Working President Hemant Soren was sworn in as the 11th Chief Minister of Jharkhand today. Governor Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office and secrecy to Soren. A galaxy of leaders from across the political spectrum graced the occasion at Moharabadi ground. This will be the 44-year-old JAM leader's second stint as Jharkhand Chief Minister. Along with Hemant Soren, Congress Legislative Party leader Alamgir Alam, State Congress President Rameshwar Aron, and RJD MLA Satyanand Bhokta were also sworn as State Cabinet Minister at today's event. In a show of opposition strength, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Bhupesh Baghel, and Mamata Banerjee, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, and Lone Tratik Janata Dal leader Sharad Yadav were among the senior leaders who attended the event. And now let's see the sports news. Andy Murray has put his Grand Slam comeback on hold after announcing he will not be playing at the Australian Open next month. According to reports, Tennis Australia issued a statement today saying Murray had withdrawn from the season opening measure at Melbourne Park and from the ATP Cup, a new international men's team event which starts next week and will be played in Sydney, Perth and Brisbane. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Manipur Cabinet discusses modalities of LP implementation. The 39th Meira Paibi Day observed in Manipur. And absence of favoritism can bring positive development, says Minister Jayanti Kumar. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update. Good night.